everyone, it is Tammy and it is 34 degrees outside. It's cold, but it's not as cold as it has been. Woo! I have my coffee in my hand and I am leaving the house. It's after work on Tuesday and I'm heading to get my nails done. They need it desperately. So I did a vlog on my weekend with my daughter and I had a wonderful weekend, and I'm working through some things with my son, so I haven't talked a lot about him, and I know that some of you have been a little curious, but frankly that's not anything I'm willing to share right now. But if you are so inclined, your thoughts and prayers would be much appreciated. He is fine, everything is good, just some hard decisions going on right now. So that's that, and I really do appreciate you, and I know that your concern and your questions are out of love, and that is fabulous, and I totally appreciate it. But you know, some things in life are just personal, and that's where I'm at with this right now. Maybe one day I will talk about it, maybe not, but either way, all is good. And I made plans for Saturday, this coming Saturday. Today is Tuesday, I think I said that already, but this coming Saturday, Lisa, my new friend, and I are going to go for coffee and to go to Hobby Lobby, so that I am looking forward to. And tonight, after getting my nails done, my husband is either going to meet me at the Mexican restaurant that we like to go to, which we lovingly refer to as The Road, or I'm going to pick him up and we will go. It kind of depends on where I'm getting my nails done, and I'm getting them done at a different place. If they can take me here, then I'm going to pick him up. If they can't take me here, then my normal place is right next to The Road, so that's where I will go. But honestly, the last couple of times I've been to the normal place, I didn't quite have a great experience. Not even a good experience. I have had a poor experience at best. So when my daughter was here, we went to a new place, and that's the place that I'm going now. And I have so many places so close to me that it's crazy. But I guess where I live, though, we are very populated. And this place is called Fancy Nails, so you can't really beat that, can you? Gonna go to Fancy Nails, and it says they're open, and it doesn't really look like there's much of a wait. They even do eyelash extensions here, but excuse me, I won't be getting that. So I am gonna go get my nails done, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye. All right, he was super fast. I got my nails done. I think they're pretty. I love that they're shorter, and whoo, I'm just happy. So I am on my way to pick up my husband, since they were able to get me in, and then we're gonna go to The Road, and I have a few things on my to-do list for tonight. Hopefully, well, it's kind of for tonight and tomorrow. I want to do a plan with me. I need to do, I mean, today's only Tuesday, so if I do my plan with me today, it's actually a little early, but I have really been enjoying doing them, so I'm already ready for this coming week. Well, not ready. I have my kit picked out, though, so that's good. And then I also need to knit, of course, and watch This Is Us. Oh my word, I'm hooked. I really am enjoying that, and A Million Little Things, so that is cool. Excuse me. What else is on my to-do list? My nails was a big one. But I'm really glad that I was able to get that done, and I'm so glad that it was so fast, because sometimes that's the hard part. I don't want to sit there for so long, but yeah, it was really nice, so that's good. All right, well, I am almost home, so I'm gonna say goodbye, but I will talk to y'all soon. I know that you guys have missed the vlogs, and I will do my best to keep them coming. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.